the 1 negative sign minus sign here. This is 1 into 1 and 2 to the 4, so it is minus 4. It is minus 3 into minus sign, it is plus 3 for 8 to 1. This is 1 into 1 and 2 to the 4. Okay. Alright, this is for minus 3 now. 8 into minus 3 lying in the second row left, and this column, second column of left is 3 1 is 3 minus 2. It is 1 positive. Then 8 to 3 is this. So for this is left, 3 to the 6 minus sign, it is 6 minus 1. It is 5, it is minus 5. Then A 3 1 is 3 1 4 1. What is the coefficient of 1 here? This is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, this is plus 6. Minus 3 to the 6, but it is plus 6. Final value is plus 5. Then A32 means this one. For this left out, this is minus 3. Minus sign is outside the bracket. And this is for this value minus 3. Minus 1 into 3. Then 2 to the 4, minus 4. Minus 7 into minus sign, it is plus 7. Plus 7. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, and 2 to the 4 minus 4. Okay, minus 7 into minus sign plus 7. Now, the last element is the coefficient of this 1. We will get minus 9 minus 2. Is minus 9 minus 2 minus 11. Okay, so let me write here cofactors matrix. It is minus 1 here, it is minus 3, it is 7 here, A1 3 7, A2 1 is 3, A2 1 is done, A2 2 is 1, A2 3 is minus 5, A3 1 is 5, A3 2 is 7, A3 2 is 7, A3 3 is minus 11. Okay, this is cofactors matrix of cofactors. So for that we have to transpose it now. A inverse is equal to, therefore 1.8 is 1.8 here, and transposing this is minus 1 minus 3 7. First row becomes first column. This is adjoint of A. Then 3 1 minus 5. This is 5 7 minus 11. Okay. Now, therefore x equal to, multiplying this by, therefore x is equal to into multiplied by 3 minus 3 4. 3 minus 3 and 4. Okay, so we will solve it then. This is 1.8 here. First row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column, multiplying and adding them. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 3 into 3 is minus 9, minus 3 into 3. Okay, then 5 was a 20 plus 20. Alright, then minus 3 is a 9. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 7 into 4 is 28. Okay, then 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 3 is 21. Third row, first column. 7 into 3 is 21. Minus 5 into minus 3 is plus 15. Then minus 11 into 4 is minus 44. Minus 44. Okay, this will give us 1.8. Now 20 minus 12 is plus 8. Minus 9 and minus 3 is minus 12 and plus 28. It will give us 28 minus 12 is 16, positive 16. Then 21 plus 15 is 36. Yeah. Minus 44 is negative 8. Minus 8 because 30, minus 44 minus 36 will be say equal to 8, but it is negative. Minus 44. Minus 44 is negative, 36 positive, minus 8 is left. Therefore, this value will give us 1, 2, minus 1. Therefore, answer is, therefore, x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to minus 1. Here the answer is here. Now it looks exact one because values are coming in integers form. Okay. Integers form they are coming, so looking like exact answers. Okay, now let us take sixth question. Question number 6 is of different situation, different kind. Let me check it. Okay, question number 6. Now it says what is question number 6 say? 6 says determine the product of this and this and use it solve the equations. These 3 equations are given. First let me find the product. Question number 6 says the product of what? Minus 4, it is 4 and 4. All the elements are 4, 4, minus 7, 1 and 3. Yeah, it is 5, minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, 5, minus 3 and minus 1. Minus 4, 4 and 4, minus 7 and 1 and 3. Okay. Into second matrix is 1, minus 1 and 1. Okay, it is 1, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, then 2, 1, 3. This is the second matrix. Let me check. 1, minus 1, 1. Okay, 1, minus 2, minus 2. 2, 1 and 3. Alright, second matrix. First is minus 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3. 5 minus 3 minus 4. Okay. Now we have to find its product. Let me check what products comes out. So first row, first column, this one, this one, this one. Let me take what value comes out. 4 into 1 minus 4, 4 into 1 plus 4, 4 into 2 plus 8. First element. Now first row, second column. Minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 4 into 1 is 4. Okay. Then first column, first row, third column. It is here minus 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 4 3 is 12 plus 12. Okay. Let's check. Then second column, second row. Second row, now we are considering multiplying first column, second column, third column. Value of third row, sorry, second row will be obtained. So this is minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is plus 6. Okay, then minus 7 into minus 1 is plus 7. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, second column. Now to third column. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 3, 3 and 9. Okay. Alright. Now third row, first column, second column, third column multiplying. So 5 into 1 is 5, minus 3, but minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Then 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Okay, then the third column, it is 5, 1 to 5, minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Okay, 11 minus 3 is 8. What does it give us? It gives us minus 4 minus 4 cancel, it is 8 only. It is 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, it is 12 minus 12 plus 12 is 0. Right. It is 0 here. 6 plus 1, 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 6 and plus 6 is 0. Okay, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 minus 3 is 8. Alright. It comes out to be, let me take, it is 8 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. It's identical matrix. It is 8 into 5. What does it gives us? Very good. Therefore, 1.8 I is equal to, it means A into A inverse. If I take 1.8 to that side, it will give us 1.8 into I. Okay, we have to find out inverse of this. They give us 1.8 into this value, because A inverse into A, this is suppose A, this is A inverse, but A inverse will be 1.8 into this value. That is the point. Therefore, inverse of that value will be obtained by 1.8 into I. So this implies that, okay, this is 8I, the value is. What do we get here? It means inverse of 1 minus 1, 1 is 1 minus 2 and minus 2. It is 2, 1 and 3 is equal to, okay, inverse of this minus 1 is nothing but 1.8 into this matrix. This is minus 4, 4, 4. This is minus 7, 1 and 3. It is 5, minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, this is the inverse of this. But if I find the inverse of this matrix, that side, if I take this to that side, then it will come here. So A inverse into I is A inverse. Inverse of this is equal to 1.8 into this value. This is the inverse of this matrix. If I take this matrix and 1.8, that value will come out. This is what we have obtained from here. Now what are the equations? Now equations given are simultaneous equations. Now what are the equations given to us? Sixth question. It is x minus 5 plus z equal to 4. It is x minus 5 minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9. Okay, then 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. This one 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 1. X minus y plus z, x minus y plus z equal to 4. X minus 2y plus minus 2z equal to 9. Alright. 2x plus y plus 3. So these are three equations. Now we have to solve these three equations. Now let me write them in matrix form. This is A here is 1. Sorry. 1 minus 1 and 1. It is 1 minus 2 and minus 2. It is 2, 1 and 3. It is the same matrix. Yeah, it is the same matrix. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 2, minus 2. 2, 1 and 3. Alright. This matrix we are obtained into x, y, z is equal to this value. This is 4, 9 and 1. Column matrix. Therefore, this X matrix equal to inverse of this, and inverse of this is that value. We just multiply these two values. What we compare this second equation, let me take, and for let me take capital second. This is normal. This is first equation. So inverse of this matrix, for this will be taken to that side. So that inverse can be replaced by these values. Okay. Now let me write here. What do we see here? That this inverse is equal to, therefore x equal to A inverse into B. But A inverse is the same value. This value is, we take this, that is A suppose. This is A inverse is equal to this value. In place of that, we will keep this value. Okay, the value of this A inverse is equal to this. So in place of this multiplied to this, in place of A inverse, we have to keep this value that we write here. So what do we see? Therefore, x equal to A inverse, that means 1.8 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 7 1 3 is 5 minus 3 minus 1 into B. B is or these values. What are those values here? Equation's value we keep. What are those values? 4, 9 and 1. This is 4, 9 and 1. These values that will have 4, 9 and 1. Okay, all the three equations are. Now we have to solve this equation. Multiplying this is inverse of that matrix. Inverse is just equated or replaced by 1.8 into this value. So this inverse equal to this. Here what's coming A inverse, but A inverse is that is what the hint is here. So each phase of this product is taken in this way. Now let me take solution of this equation. Let me write here. This is x, y, z, x value. Therefore, x equal to, this is 1.8 minus 4, 4 and 4. It is minus 7, 1 and 3. It is 5 minus 3 minus 1 into 4, 9 and 1. Now let me solve them. Okay, let me check. 4, 3, 1 minus 1. 4, 1 minus 3, or minus 4 minus 7, 5. And place 4, 9, 1. Alright. Now let us solve them. Then x, y, z will be calculated. Right inside we have to multiply. This is 1.8. First row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column, first row, first column, corresponding multiplication. Minus 4 into 4 is minus 16, plus 9 4 is 36, and 4 1 is 4, plus 4. Then second row, first column, minus 7 into 4 is minus 28, 1 into 9 is 9, 3 into 1 is plus 3. Okay, then third row, first column, 5 4 is 20, minus 9 3 is 27, minus 1, 1 into 1. Okay, into, okay, this value is coming as 1.8. Let me solve it. Now 36 and 4 40. 36 plus 4, positive value is 40. 40 minus 16 is 24. The first is 24 positive value. Then minus 28 and 12 minus is 16 negative. Minus 16 because minus 28 plus 16 plus 12. 9 plus 3 12. So minus 28 plus 12 is minus 16. Alright. Then this is minus 28 plus 20 is minus 8. This value comes out to be 3, 8 3 are 24, 8 2 are 16, 8 1 is 8. Okay, so therefore, simplify that x equal to equating x by z equal to x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2, and z equal to minus 1. Here the answer is here. Finally, this is the answer. Now question number 7, let me perform. Okay, now question number 7. Let us discuss about. Let me clear. Okay, now question 7. Question number 7, what does it say? It is a 7th question. Let us see. Let us solve it. Okay, now question number 7 is say solve the following equations using matrices. Again the same process has come up. This is first equation is 2x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 5. This is first equation. 2x minus 3y plus 2z equal to 5. Then 4x plus twice y, 2y minus 3z equal to 2. Equal to 2. Okay, 7th question. 4x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 2. X minus 2y plus 5z equal to 3. Second equation. Third equation. X minus 2y plus 5z equal to 3. 4x plus 2y minus 3z equal to 2. Okay, there are 3 equations. And now let us solve it again. So solving it, solution. Now as we have discussed that x equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is coefficient of x, y, z. Let me write them. Where x is x, y, z in column matrix equal to A inverse. Now A inverse is 2 minus 3 2. Then 4 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 plus 5. Inverse of this into B. What is B here? 5 2 3. Okay, inverse of this only is the calculation which we have done. Let me find out. This is A here we have taken. Therefore determinant A means determinant of this value will be, this is 2 into 5 to the 10 minus triple minus sign, so it is minus 86. Then minus plus 3 bracket. This and this plus to the 20 minus plus 3. Okay, then 2 plus 2 into this plus 2 into minus 8 2 into 2 minus 2. Okay, this is minus 4 to the 8. Okay, let's solve. 10 minus 6 is 4 to the 8. 23 into 3. 23 into 3 is 69 plus 69. Alright, this is 9 and 3 is alright. This is minus 10 into 2 is minus 20. So what is the difference? 20 if I subtract from it is 49 plus 8. Okay, or let me write here 8 or 9 70. 77 minus 20, which is 57 only. Okay, so it is 57. So determinant value of A is 57, positive value. Okay, so this is the first task. Now let us find out inverse. So for adjoint, first we have to find out adjoint. For the adjoint of A, matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors of A. Let me consider that as A11, A12, A13. Okay, then A21, A22, A23. This is A31, A32, A33. This is a process. We have to follow the process. Then answer will be exact one. If any false method is applied, then we can compare. That we have to do. Now therefore A11, the first cofactor of first element 2 is 5 to 10 minus triple minus 6 is 4. Then A12 for this cofactor, this is 20 plus 3. 5 to 20 plus 3 is 22. Okay, then A13. A13, this one, for 2 cofactors minus 8, 4 to the 8 and minus 2 is minus 10. Then A21, for this 4, cofactor 4 is this and this removed. This is 5, 3 to 15, this is minus 1, minus 15, and minus plus 4 is minus 11 into minus plus 11. Okay. Plus 11, then A22 is equal to, for this 2 cofactor of 2 will be this and this cancel out. It's 5 to 10 and minus 2, it is 8 only. Then A23, for this A23, coefficient of 3 minus 3 is cancelled out, it will be 4 and minus 9 is 4. To the 4 and minus 12 plus 12. 4 3 12, it is 16 here. It is minus 16. A23. I'm sorry, what I was doing. It is for 2 3. For this minus 3. So I just did this one to the 4. Okay, and this is minus 12. Right. No. I'm sorry, it's mistaken. 2 3 means this. So this and this, so is minus 4. I'm sorry, minus 4, 2 into 2 minus 4, and this is plus 3. I'm sorry, plus 3 here, minus 4 plus 3. Why? Because for minus 3 we have to calculate cofactor of minus 3. This row and this column left, removed, and then left over is 2 and the minus 2 and 3 and minus 1 and minus 3. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, and minus 1 into plus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, but the minus sign we keep in between, so it is plus 3. I'm sorry, mistake occurred. This minus 1, so it is plus 1 here. Minus difference is minus 1, it is plus 1. Let me check 1 here, A2 for 2 cofactor of 2 means this and this left over 5 to 10. All right, it is okay. Only this calculation. Then A31 means for 1. Cofactor of 1 is minus 3 3 are 9. It is plus 9 and minus 4 is 5 only. Okay, then A32 for minus 2. Coefficient of minus 2 is minus 6. It's minus sign here. It is minus 6, 3 to the 6, and 4 to the 8 is minus 8. Okay, so it is minus 14 plus 14. Then A33 for 5. Coefficient of this is left over 2 to the 4. This is 2 to the 4 here. Let me change it. For 5. Okay, cofactor of 5 is this left over to the 4 and plus 12. It is plus 12. 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 4 16. positive 15. Therefore, matrix of 4 factors is A11. A11 is 4. Let me write here. A12 is 23. A13 is minus 10. A21 is 11. A22 is 8. A23 is 1. A31 is 45. 9 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 5. Okay, then A32 is plus 14. This is plus 14. A33 is 16. Is the value. Therefore, adjoint of A, we have to transpose this to find the inverse. And the inverse is, let me write inverse directly. Transposing this, that will be adjoint, and this is 1.57. 1.57, this is 4, 23 minus 10. First row become first column, second row will become a second column. Will 1, 11, 8, 1. This is 5, 14, 16 into, this is adjoint. Inverse is separated. 5, 2, 3. Now let us solve it. Let us check what it comes up to. It will be 1.57. Okay, first row, second row, third row. First row into this. 4 into 5 is 20. 11 into 2 is plus 22. 5 plus 3, 15. 5, 3 is 15. Okay, then 23 into 5. 5, 3 is 15. 5, 5 plus 10 and 1. 60, 165. Sorry, 11. 150. 23 into 5. 5, 3 is 15. 5, 1 carry. 5 plus 10 and 11. Okay. Plus 8 into 2, 16. Plus 14 into 3 is 42. Okay, 42. Then third row, first column, this is minus 50. Minus 10 into 5. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. 16 into 3 is 48. 50 minus 50 is 0. So 2 plus 48 is 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. What we calculate? First value is 5 plus 2 7. And 1 plus 2 3 and 2 5. 57 completely. And this is 115 plus this is 2, 6, 8 and 5. 8 and 5, 13. Yeah. 8 and 5, 13. 3, 1 carry. 1 and 4. 5, 5 and 1, 6.